What's up YouTube, it's Afan from Techcycle. In this video, I will introduce you guys to Unlit, a jailbreak trick to enable dark mode in Instagram, which is now available for Instagram beta. So let's begin. About this jailbreak trick, that is Unlit, it will change your Instagram from this to this, that is it will enable the dark mode. To install this jailbreak trick, add the repo given in the description. It is repo.packix.com. just copy that repo and add to your Cydia source. After that, search for Unlit and install the Unlit jailbreak trick and respring your device. After that, head out to settings and enable this Unlit. You don't need to respring your device after enabling Unlit. Just you need to force close the Instagram application, that is swipe up the Instagram application and reopen the Instagram application. It will make the change. So talking about this dark mode, it is very good to use at night and it is very good to use at morning also. I really like that dark accent, and for my iPhone 5, which is space gray one, it is very good. I will show you guys the picture here. It is very good to look at the iPhone while using Instagram, but there is a little bit over, that is this dark mode is blown out at the status bar. You can see that you are not seeing anything in the status bar because of this dark mode. And in the profile option, you are not seeing that number. It is also blown out. I think this will be fixed on later stage of this update, or Instagram is going to release their dark mode very soon. Also, I really like that red accent to this black background. I really like that. So I will just show you guys some picture. You can find from there. So that's all about this video guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in next one.